Hey guys, in this video we will continue our course, which is Claude Code Basics, and we will be on module 2.6. The idea in this video is, see, Claude Code is going to build you something, right? You give it a prompt, you guide it, it builds you something. But before you truly accept something, please take time to verify, right? Really look into exactly, don't be lazy. This is the most critical step, right? Yeah, remember, Claude Code will do a great job in 80-90% of the cases where it is close to what you wanted. But is it exactly what you wanted, right? That is the key, right? Remember, you are the architect, right? You know what you want, right? Yes, take help from everybody, take help from all the LLMs, but in the end, like, eventually make sure you don't compromise. So verify the build, verify the features, verify everything before you ship. Okay, in this video we are on 2.6. so prove whatever you build, before you ship it, make sure it works, right? So let's go to the checklist. Okay, what are we trying to say here, right? Prove it works. Don't trust done. When Claude Code or any tool for that matter, right, whatever you're using, when it tells you it's done, don't blindly trust it. Just make sure it is working, right? So you can ask Claude Code, okay, show me, open it in the browser, tell me how to preview it. So I'll take an example, right? So we were just building this habit tracker, right, in the previous lesson, right? So see, we had asked it, okay, how do we preview it? So it gave us instructions on. So see here, it tells you, because we had asked, okay, how do we preview it? So it tells you, okay, go first run the server here, right? So go to your local folder in terminal, run this, run the Python command so the server opens up locally, and then it tells you this is how you preview it, right? And so that basically helps me with, brings me here, right? The habit tracker. So this is how I open it on the local server, right? Then let's go back here. Check it yourself. The page actually loads, right? Yes, the page loads, right? We are locally serving it. Okay. Every button link does what it should, right? So, it has done, remember, it has done all the heavy lifting for you, right? Now, you can, does this work? Yes, it works. It's just that, right now it's not connected to how it works. It doesn't tell you anything. It's just a blank link, right? So that could be a problem. By the way, we didn't fully build it. That's why. But and let's check this. It opens up, right? So imagine if it was a real app and how it works doesn't work. Then you can tell it. Let's go back. As a demo, I continued from the last build on the habit tracker. We are testing all links work, but since the app was not fully built, the how it works section button does not link to any page. Can you build it? Okay, let's see if it has some context from the previous build. But the bigger idea is you build it, you test it, you check everything is working. If something is not working, you go back. work with Claude Code. It will fix it for you. You just need to give it. Right now, I'm just telling it, just put something in how it works. Ideally, I should be giving it exactly what I want to see in how it works, right? I can ask him to help me brainstorm. But anyway, this is just a lesson. Now wire up how it works button on the landing page. It was pointing at hash because that's why it wasn't loading anything. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, I think it is already built. See, no, it's still building it. Let's make sure. Okay, some reason. Okay, now it works, right? How it works, 4 tabs to daily streak. Add the habit that matter. Check it off when you do it. We make it. Okay, it's saved. It's saved automatically. Okay, stays private, works on your phone, no account needed. Okay, so great. Let's go back to where we were. So we have checked buttons. We have the form submit works or not, same idea. It looks right on the phone. So if you open it on the phone, you know, does it fit well? Okay, you can actually ask Claude Code to do a quick test and check whatever it has made. It will actually agentically test or check some of those things. So if you see some problem, then you can just paste the error, screenshot. If you want to go back, you can actually rewind to a point where the script, where you were happy with the code, where you were happy with the output. Clear is, I don't know why it's talking about clear here. We will cover it in another lesson, but clear is basically just how do you clear unnecessary context from the prompt, because the more not from the prompt, from the context window. So what is the context window? For example, right here, you know, we have a context window. If you look at it, right, what all is happening here? We were building a habit tracker, then we went into the next lesson. So all this is like, you know, when I'm giving it in some instruction, it reads all the previous tasks, all the previous context, and that's burning up your tokens. Plus it confuses Claude Code because now it doesn't know which direction, right? So when I'm doing something, you know, I should just clear. Now start from the beginning, right? And give a new task here. Okay, so okay, and then it's also talking about like your models, right? So use Opus for genuinely hard bugs or issues which you want to solve, right? Or when you're doing some really complex planning, or like you really can take chances and you want the best model to help you plan, right? And you know, obviously your bigger, whatever you're trying to do, just break it into smaller tasks. And so it is more focused. The LLM will give you better outputs, better results. Okay, so that was that.